turmeric paper indicator activity with respect to yesterday's class. Before class, acids and bases chapter is there. So to know different kinds of acids and bases, here one activity is there in the textbook, preparation of turmeric paper indicator. So for that what we need is, we need a water, turmeric powder, and a paper, and a pencil, brush, soap water, lime water or lemon water. You can see here acids and bases turmeric indicator is there. First you need to take the paper or a bowl and you need to just mix that turmeric. That means a turmeric whatever available at your home, you need to take a teaspoon of turmeric paper, turmeric powder, and after that mix it with water and make paste. Like a paste you need to make here, like water it is shown, but you need to make it like a paste. And after making it as a paste, then you need to uh, that means this fine powder, turmeric powder will be there, that you need to take, and fine paste you need to make. Then slowly with the help of brush or with your hand, you need to go on applying total A4 size paper. Here yellow paper is given, but A4 size paper will be there, that you need to prepare at your home. And that paste, turmeric powder paste, this turmeric powder paste will be taken, and that you need to add total paper as shown here in the picture. So completely on the borders you need to prepare with the paste, nothing you need to add, only water, turmeric powder, then you need to add onto this, then it will appear in this form. And this will complete one step, part 1 of the turmeric paper activity. And part 2 is that just you need to take soap water. Understood? Soap water and lemon water you need to take. And after taking that here, you need to put A4 size papers. Two you need to prepare. Two A4 size papers you need to prepare, and in the center you need to draw flower as shown in the picture. In the textbook you have the picture, or if it is not there, download the textbook from the website, and then you see the picture. In the starting of this video I have shown you the picture, like that you need to draw. And here indication picture only, this is soap water and lemon juice you need to add. And here you have soap water. Soap water is there and a lime juice is there. So soap water will act like a base, and lemon or nimbu will be there, no? That lime juice you need to take, that will act like an acid. Then you need to apply on that flower. That means let us show that flower here. So both solutions you need to prepare, and both after preparing both solutions here you need to mix. So here you have, here you have A4 size paper like this. You need to prepare two flower you need to add, and with the help of brush, then first you need to add soap water for this inside. That means you will prepare a turmeric paste first. After that you will apply onto the A4 size paper. Then you will draw before only flower on the empty A4 size paper. You will draw the flower, and then what you need to do, these steps. So one by one, what is the step here? In the first step, you will take the A4 size paper and you will draw the flower. Understood? Like that, two A4 size papers you need to take. And after that, in the second step, on first A4 size paper and second A4 size paper, as you drawn on flowers like this small flower, you need to apply turmeric paste on both papers. After that, you need in the third step, what you need to do, lime juice separately in one A4 size paper you need to fill this flower, and in separate another A4 size turmeric paste paper you need to add or fill this flower with soap water. One A4 size with soap water, one A4 size with lemon juice or lime juice. Then you need to fill this flower. After that you will be observing some colors. So that is the work today. Today's activity is about turmeric paper indicator activity. You need to perform that activity with this soap water, and then you will see some changes, and that changes you need to note in your classwork. This will explain you what are the acids and what are the bases. That A4 size indicator paper you need to prepare and you need to do. This is today's activity for all students of classes and YouTube viewers also. Understood? If you are if you are listening the classes means you need to think that you are going to school only. Then you need to perform this activity. Soap water you need to prepare and lime water you need to prepare, and then you apply on that A4 size flowers. A4 size flowers. Then you see what will happen. That you need to note in the classwork. This is today's activity. And if this is understood, and in another activity we will see what are the changes will be there in the thing, and this will ensure that what are the bases, what are the acids. Soap, while you are using any soap you can use here, either blue color soap or otherwise you can use any bathing soap. And turmeric powder you can get at your home. You ask your mother, turmeric powder will be there, spoonful, one spoonful of turmeric powder is enough for one A4 size paper, and another A4 size paper, another 1 spoon is enough. So you make with the help of your hand or otherwise anything, then you make like this. Understood? A flower must be drawn in that flower only you need to fill. Understood? If you are not understanding means again and again you see this video, and this will explain you about turmeric paper indicator, how it will change into different colors, and that color observation is important. After completion of that you need to write color, what color changed with soap water, what color changed with lime juice or lemon juice.